Hello friends, good morning. My name is Shakil J Khan. Welcome to our channel Aisha Coaching Classes. Friends, today I'm going to tell you how to improve our English language. Okay. Nowadays, communication is a very important. Like many people who are coming from the small town, or you can say from the villages, or from the other medium, not from English medium. So they are getting kind of problem while they speak English. So today I'll tell you only one trick by which if you implement that trick in your life, then you will find that you become a very good speaker. So basically the trick is what? So first of all, I'll tell you that many people who try to speak English by reading grammar only. So even though I had done the same thing, first I learned grammar and try to speak in English, but when I try to speak in English, I stuck. I don't know how to use grammar in my English language. So that's the confusion state comes. All the people who are listening to me, they also gone through this, that they learn grammar and they try to use that grammar into their language, speaking languages. So what I did after learning the grammar, I do the same mistake. I'll focus on the grammar and put that words, the tenses, whatever I have learned into my English speaking, and I can get confused when to use what. But later on, I have seen some videos on YouTube. So I realized one thing, that when you want to speak English fluently, then in that case, you need to speak to someone else for 30 to 40 minutes daily without any gap. You have to speak. The more you speak, the more you get the words. Okay. So initially what happened when I try to speak English, I'm not getting words, what to use now and how to use. I have stuck. But when I practice daily continuously, so what happened in a 1 or 2 months, I can feel that no, I can be a very good speaker. I can be a very good speaker if I do like this for more 2 or 3 months. So the first thing is that to whom should we speak? Basically, the question arises here. So you can make a buddy system, you can call to your friends who also want to learn English. So you call him, ask him whether he also want to speak. If he said yes, I also want to speak in English. So you try to speak at least 30 to 20 minutes. But in that conversation, you choose some topic. Okay, you choose some topic and discuss on that topic. And don't try to use difficult words. Always try to use simple English. Okay, so your conversation should be in simple English. Don't use difficult words. Okay, and then when you speak in English, so speak slowly. What other people do when they are as a beginner phase, when they try to speaking in English, they speak fastly. Just they want to put all the words in one one sentence only. No, you have to be very calm. Start speaking slowly, because English is not our native language. It is a foreign language. Okay, to learn any foreign language, we need to be a very calm. We need to be a very when we speak slowly. Don't get in a hurry that I have to complete this sentence in one line only. No, take time, because see, one thing you should keep in mind, that whenever you are learning anything, it takes time. It is not like that you can learn anything in 2 or 3 weeks. In my case, if you find that my English was not good at all, this flow is not there when I was, you can say like 2 or 3 years back. So I work hard. I got always, kind of think that my English is not, well. So what I did, I try to speak English for 30 to 20 minutes daily. Also friends, I got the comments from the students, like if you watch movies in English or reading newspaper English, can we get a better English? Can we speak very well or not? Yeah, you can get vocabulary in that, we can get new things in that. But the main thing is that you try to speak English at least 20 to 30 minutes daily. Slowly, calmly. Without speaking, you're just watching Netflix English movie, or you're just reading the newspaper, but you are not speaking daily. So how you get practice? Friends, there is only one thing, that by speaking only you can improve your English by practicing it daily continuously for 30 to 40 minutes. Because why am I emphasizing you to speak English? Because you have to speak. You are not asking me to read English or to write English. You are very good in writing or reading, but at the time of speaking you are not able to get proper words. So what you do at that time? So what I did, I try to speak in English with my colleagues, with my friends for 20 to 30 minutes continuously. So within 1 week, 1 month, not 1 week, 1 month, I find that now I'm able to speak English fluency. I'm getting fluency, I'm getting kind of flow. Why? Because I work hard. I work hard on English. English is not like that you will get English within 2 or 3 days. Okay, I know I get English. No, it takes time. Whatever languages, whatever you are learning, anything, you will get that kind of expertise. You will not get expertise within 1 or 2 months or 6 months. It takes time. Just focus on your, like, if you want to learn English, then focus on your English only. Forget all the things, just focus. Try to speak English. If you want to read newspaper, go and read newspaper in English. If you want to watch movies on Netflix in English with subtitle, go and watch. But after doing that, just try to speak English. And whenever when you are in learning phase, when you want to speak English, just try to use simple words. Okay, try to use simple words and say slowly. Say slowly. Don't use difficult words. Don't go in a hurry. Okay, these are the tricks which I used. Like, what I used to speak in English, even though I watch movies on Netflix, web series, I read English paper. But the main thing is that try to speak with someone for at least 30 to 40 minutes daily, and in that conversation you should choose some topic and discuss on that. Daily you have a new topic and discuss on it. You can also do conference call. You can also add more buddies in that so that you can get more views, more knowledge you get. So my first trick, a last trick which I will try to tell you, that just speak in English. Just speak English for 30 to 40 minutes daily without any gap. Just make a friends, call them. You can make more friends. That if that person is busy, you can call to another person so that you can get more buddies. The more buddies you get, the more time you get to speak in English. So the one thing I would like to tell you, to improve English, you need to speak with someone else for 30 to 40 minutes daily continuously. Without doing this, you cannot learn English. I can also tell you that these things I implied in my life. Now you can also judge me whether my English is good or not. I'm not saying, okay, if you judge me my English is good or not, just comment me. And I'm not a very good speaker. Okay, I can tell you, this is my first video which I'm making in English language. At that time, I am not have the confidence to speak in English. So all the videos, even though I have written grammar, but it is in Hindi or Urdu, you can say. I never used English language like this. But I'm giving you lecture on for more than 10 minutes in English without any hesitation, without any, I'm having the confidence now. So why this confidence I got? Because I work hard on speaking only. So friends, those who want to learn English, those who want to speak with me, just call me. I'm free. I'll tell you the time. We can speak in English. We can improve our English. I can help you. You can also help me. So guys, please focus on speaking habit only. Okay. Nowadays, because of some lockdown and all, there are no colleges, schools. You are sitting at home doing nothing, just wasting your time. Instead of that, you just focus on your English language. So if you are free, call me, comment me, sir, what to do now, how to improve English. See, I am the best example in front of you that this is my first video which I made in English. So friends, that's it for today's video. So I hope friends, you get the knowledge how to improve your English in only 1 month by using one trick. So friends, one thing I want to tell you, that we have WhatsApp group. In that WhatsApp group, we have more than 100 buddies which are very enthusiastic to learn English language. So I hope friends, just give me your mobile number so that I can add you in that link or in that WhatsApp group so that you can get more buddies to speak with. So friends, that's all for today's video. So friends, just don't forget what I have said, that if you want to improve English, Just focus on your speaking practice. Without speaking practice, you are not able to speak English fluently. You will not get the flow of English. So try to speak English at least 20 to 30 minutes daily without any gap with your friends. Simultaneously, also you can read your newspaper, also you can watch movies, English movies with subtitle, whatever. But try to speak with your buddies. In case if you get the interview, you can crack that interview in a very easiest way. Okay, friends. So, friends, don't forget, and yeah, friends, don't forget to subscribe my channel, Aisha Coaching Classes, and comment me, friends, and let me know you are getting me or not. We'll meet you next video. Bye. Take care.